Hey there, DIY enthusiasts! Welcome back to my kitchen faucet channel. Today, we're tackling a kitchen upgrade that's both stylish and super functional, installing a pot filler faucet. These faucets are a game changer for anyone who loves to cook, saving you the hassle of lugging heavy pots of water across the kitchen. If you're ready to ditch the spills and make your kitchen look like a pro chef's, then stick around. First things first, make sure your water supply line is in place. If you're installing a pot filler from scratch, you'll need to run a cold water supply line behind your stove. If you're replacing an old one, turn off the water supply before removing the existing fixture. If your pot filler has a mounting bracket, attach it to the wall for extra stability. Drill pilot holes if necessary and secure with screws. Wrap Teflon tape around the pipe threads to prevent leaks. This is a small step that makes a huge difference. Screw the faucet base onto the pipe, making sure it's hand tight. Then, use a wrench to secure it further but avoid over-tightening, which can damage the threads. Attach the pot filler arm, ensuring all connections are snug. Double-check everything to make sure it's secure. Time to test it out. Slowly turn on the water supply and check for any leaks at the connections. If you notice any drips, tighten the fittings or add more Teflon tape. Some extra tips to make your installation smoother. 1. Height matters. Position the faucet so it's easy to reach and fill large pots without straining. 2. Plan ahead. Think about where you'll be placing your pots on the stove before you install the pot filler. 3. Check local codes. Plumbing codes vary. Always check with your local building department before starting any plumbing work. 4. Consider water pressure. Pot fillers work best with good water pressure. If your pressure is low, it might affect the performance. 5. Drip pan optional. Consider placing a small drip pan under the pot filler when not in use, just in case there are any minor drips over time. And that's it! You've successfully installed your pot filler faucet. Now you can enjoy the convenience of filling your pots right at your stovetop. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more DIY tips and home improvement projects. Thanks for watching.